first we're gonna talk about the main idea. We're gonna discuss the core concept of the game. After that I will show you what has been done so far. Then I will go on with what will come in the future, and at the end you will see some very early gameplay. In this game, you are the team leader of Rocket B017, tasked with discovering and colonizing a new Earth-like planet to accommodate the growing population on Earth. After conducting several tests, you find that the planet meets Earth-like standards and begin colonizing a small island. Your objective is to build and populate this new planet using various buildings and special objects. The game features 3 resource types: money, energy and people, at least for now. Almost every tile will either produce or require some of these resources. What sets this game apart is the interactivity between tiles. For example, placing houses next to each other will increase happiness and productivity, while placing a factory nearby will reduce these due to pollution. Additionally, overlapping game mechanics mean that insufficient energy will lead to reduced productivity across buildings. This game diverges from typical city builders with a unique twist. At the start of each day, you will choose from randomly selected objects to buy, adding an element of strategy and unpredictability. Random events such as weather changes or building repairs will keep the gameplay dynamic. As you progress, you will unlock new buildings and game mechanics, such as battling goblins and conducting research in laboratories. Now, let's dive into the progress I've made over the past few weeks. If you have been following my daily devlogs, some of this might be familiar, but I have some more exciting stuff to show. I started this project about 4 weeks ago, initially aiming for a 2D game. However, I found the art style unappealing and decided to switch to a 3D approach, using simple shapes and a pixelation shader to retain a unique look. Technically, the game features a randomly generated map with each Unity unit representing a tile. A polynoise function adds biomes and shapes to the island. Special objects spawn in specific biomes, like trees and grasslands or cacti in deserts. The rocket is essential for the player's progression. I've also focused on enhancing the cursor feel, implementing springs for smooth movement and scaling of the selected tiles. There is a red selector to indicate clicked buildings and a dynamic info screen that adjusts based on click location. The camera system allows zooming with the scroll wheel and panning by holding the right mouse button. A green box defines the allowed camera space, while a yellow box indicates the tile generation, as you can see here. There's also a destroy mode to remove unwanted buildings and free up space. Most buildings can be destroyed, except essential ones like the rocket. There's also a building system, which is currently a placeholder system, allowing placement of a forest, house and factory. Thanks to a suggestion from Till Ohms, I've started developing a combat and soldier system. Players can select and move units using a marker window and later arrange them in different formations. Soldiers can be placed during the day to defend against nightly enemy attacks. I'm also working on the main daily, which will be showcased in the next big devlog. Before we come to the end, I would like to answer one more question. I've been asked about the tools and engine I'm using. I'm developing this game in Unity and coding in Visual Studio 2022. For modeling, I use Blockbench due to simplicity, and I use OBS and Filmora Wondershare and Create Studio for video creation. That's all for today. Thank you all for your likes, comments and subscriptions on the daily devlogs. Your support keeps me motivated. Please keep sharing your ideas, feedback and criticism. Although I won't be able to post daily devlogs for the next few days, look out for the next small update coming next Sunday. There's a Discord link in the description if you want to chat and see a bit more of the project. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.